All right, we're gonna start out with 2 of our Dollar Tree frames. We're gonna take one off, round shred. You can get these from the Dollar Tree. All you need to do is go around the entire thing and fill up the little groove all the way around your frame. All right, now that we've got all of our shreds nicely packed in there, it's okay if some poke around on the outside. We just want to get it pretty full so you can kind of fill in the base of it. And then I'm bringing in some carrots, also from the Dollar Tree. And you just want to take them, plop them kind of around in here. You want to keep them inside of that little ring there. Just keep going around. You want to leave your top open, and I'll show you why in just a minute. We're going to just keep going around. You can put as many or as little as you want. You also want to leave your bottom open. So here we go. Now what we're going to do is bring in a sign. I also got this sign at the Dollar Tree. You can get any kind that you want. I like this because it had a little carrot here. I'm just going to take and snip off the holder here. And what we're going to do, this is why you wanted to kind of keep your carrots out of the middle. Just bring this down, and we're going to set it here to where it sits inside of this frame here, like there. So it's going to hold it there, and it's going to come up a little bit at the top. Up here where this has the string, where your string was at that we cut off, we're going to zip tie this to the frame. All right, we're going to finish zip tying this end here. And this is just to secure it so it doesn't slide down when we have it moving up. Just do like that and trim off the excess on the back. I'm gonna bring in that other frame from our Dollar Tree, and we're gonna just put it right over the top here. So it's kind of caging in our carrots here, as you can see. And it's okay, I want it to go over the sign because that's gonna hold it in place. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna zip tie it on each side to hold all this together. Like so. I'm gonna do them spaced apart. So I'm gonna just do one on each kind of end here. All right, and then we're just gonna snip our zip ties off. Now that we've secured all sides, 2 on each side, again with a little bit more shreds, and I wanna kind of poke them in here so that they go all the way around. I'm not worried about seeing those little bit of wording down there. I just want it to kind of go around. So I'm just going to poke that in now that it's secured. So just go around, and anywhere you want it to be more full. All right, now that I had this, I wanted to go ahead and put another carrot on the bottom here. So I just kind of poke that up underneath that frame. It's easily bent, so that's easy to pop in there. So there you go. You have it like here. Let's give it a wiggle. Get any loose ones out of the way. And then what we're going to do, we're going to bring in some twine. And remember I said we were going to fix those zip ties? What I'm going to do here, I'm just going to wrap this around a few times just to kind of secure it. Gives it a little bit more of a look that I want, the kind of a countryer look. So I'm just going to tie this and just kind of wrap it around a few times, maybe about 3-4 times. And just give it a look, and I'm going to do that all the way around where I put those zip ties in. So, all right, guys, we're going to do our last one here. As you can see, I've gone all the way around all of these here, 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 and here, all the way around, and we've just secured this. I think that just adds such a cute little extra something, and it kind of hides our zip ties. All right. You could leave it just like this if you wanted to, but I want to add a bow right here on the top. So I'm going to slide this over. I'm going to sweep this off and bring in kind of like a little burlap, little pretty pattern on it. Then we're gonna bring our wreath back over, and you can put your bow here on a corner, in the middle. For this one, I'm gonna just pop it in the middle, and you again can bring another zip tie and zip tie it straight onto your frame. Puff that back up. We're gonna kind of tuck that around. And now you're ready, guys. Now that it's all finished, we're gonna hang it right there on our door. How pretty is that? And so simple, guys.